Anita break here. It's just been one of those cold days. It's been treacherous out. You can see that the clouds are still looming. There's been lots of threats of lightning and thunder, and yet people are still going out, and it's just not safe, people. There are probably going to be school closures tomorrow. We just need to be careful and buckle up. I know that the sun starts to break through, but it's just, you cannot trust this weather, folks. Earlier this morning, I was talking to a gentleman in a car that had just left his house, and let's take it to that video right now. Hi, sir. It's Anita Break from Hype News. How was your commute today?
Well, it was really frightening, actually.
I bet.
Yeah, there was snow on the sides of the roads.
No way.
It was really close to the road.
Okay.
I thought at any time, I could see that actually on the road.
Right.
And then what would I do?
Yeah.
You know, I might have to go 55 instead of 60.
So, sir, were you worried about at any moment accumulation coming on your tires that you would not be able to move? Did you come prepared?
Well, I did pack chains before I left the house today, and so I did feel prepared. But even so, we were frightened. I could tell everybody on the freeway was frightened.
Okay, well, you drive safe. Keep Hype News on your radio at all times so you know what to expect. We're there for you.
Hype News is number one.
See, there's snow. This gentleman is real brave. He's going out. Yeah, it looks pretty clear, but he's definitely taking a risk. Okay. Here's some boys over here. Hey, boys.
Hi.
What did you think about the no school day today?
Awesome. Yeah, it was like, yeah.
So were you surprised they closed the school for such little amounts of snow, or did you think that was a wise choice?
That was a very wise choice.
Okay.
So wise.
I agree, because, you know, it is dangerous to be inside classrooms when it is snowy and the roads are clear.
Yeah.
And like I said, you know, you just cannot be more careful. Cars are going off. You know, Oregon, you know, you think that sometimes it's a safe place, but it's not. And it is wise to stay inside. Like I said, I don't mean to be an alarmist, but you have to be ready for anything out there. And oh my gosh, did you see us? This is what I'm talking about, folks. Okay, be careful. Back to you, Stan, in the studio from Hype News. This is Anita Break.